Welcome, welcome dear student in one another session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde and our today's discussion topic is local anesthetics. Let's start our session. Learning outcomes of our today's sessions are, after watching this video, students should be able to understand what is meant by local anesthetic drugs, then to understand the mechanism of action of local anesthetic drugs, then to classify local anesthetic drugs, and to recognize the local anesthetics on the basis of pharmacological action, adverse effect and therapeutic uses. First of all, we see what is meant by local anesthetics. Local anesthetics are the drugs which produce the insensitivity in a limited area around the site of application or ingestion of the drugs by preventing generation and conduction of the impulses along nerve fibers and nerve endings, and the effects are reversible. Then local anesthetic is also defined as it is a transient reversible loss of sensation in a circumscribed area or specified area of the body caused by a depression of excitation in the nerve endings or an inhibition of conduction progress in the peripheral nerves. It is also described as when it is used on the specific nerve pathway, that is nerve block, effect such as the analgesia, that means loss of pain sensation, and paralysis, loss of muscle power can also be achieved. First of all, we see what is the difference between general anesthetics and local anesthetics. This is depend on the basis of the parameters on the site of action. General anesthesia involve the central nervous system where it act, and local anesthetics involve they act on a peripheral nerves. Area of body involved, whole body involved in general anesthetics. Local anesthetics, restricted area is involved. Consequences lost in general anesthetics, and in a local anesthetics no loss of consequences. Poor health patient, for this purpose general anesthetics is very risky. Local anesthetics are the safer one. Use in a non-cooperative patient, general anesthesia is possible, but local anesthetics is not possible in a non-cooperative patient. Then major surgeries are preferred in a general anesthetics, and major surgeries are not preferred in a local anesthetics. Then minor surgeries are not preferred in a general anesthetics, vice versa. Local anesthetics are preferred for the minor surgeries. The care of a vital organ is essential in a general anesthetics. In a local anesthetics it is not needed. Example of general anesthetics drugs is a chloroform, diethyl ether, thiopental sodium, etc. And local anesthetics drugs are benzocaine, procaine and lignocaine. Then mechanism of action. In that we see the local anesthetics produce anesthesia by inhibiting the excitation of the nerve ending by blocking the conduction in the peripheral nerves. This is achieved by the anesthetics reversibly by binding and inactivating the sodium channels. They are produce loss of pain without loss of consequences on the nerve control. By this way local anesthetics are act. Then we see the local anesthesia induced in a many ways depending upon the route of administration. First of all, surface or topical anesthesia. It is induced by the blocking of sensory nerves ending in the skin and mucous membrane. Then infiltration anesthesia. It is induced by the injection into the area subject to the surgical operation. Then spinal anesthesia. It is induced by the injecting the drug into the dual membrane surrounding the spinal cord and nerve coat. Then properties of ideal local anesthetics are: it should be soluble in the both water and lipid. It should be non-irritant and produce the anesthesia quickly. Then it should have no allergic action. It should no systemic toxicity. Rapid onset onset of action is possible with the local anesthetics. Sufficient duration of action, then it should be potent one. Suitable in solutions, no interfere with the healing of the tissue, then it should have a vasomotor constriction action, then it is not a expensive one. These are the ideal characteristics. Then we see the classification of local anesthetics. First of all, it is divided into two parts, that is a ester type, example of its cocaine, and next one is amongst the ester type, it is again divided into two parts, that is benzoic acid esters, that is cocaine and amylococaine. Then para-amino benzoic acid derivatives, example of is benzocaine and procaine. Then this second type of local anesthetics are amide types. First one is ester type. Ester type is further divided into two type, benzoic acid esters and para-amino benzoic derivatives. Amide type is divided into acetyl derivatives, example of its xylocaine. And the second type of amide type is quinoline derivatives, example of its cincocaine. Then effects of local anesthesia on CNS and CVS. We see local anesthesia eventually passes or possesses into the vascular system and are distributed all tissue affecting other organ system, especially central nervous system and cardiovascular system. Then effect on CNS, we see the detailed effect on the central nervous system. Local anesthetics causes the central nervous system depression with the initial stimulant action, that is anxiety, apprehension, nervousness, confusion are the main two symptoms, which may be followed by the sedation, unconsciousness and respiration failure. Then effect on CVS, in that the high systemic concentration may cause the cardiovascular effects. The drug may cause the direct myocardiac depression and arterial vasodilation. The effects such as the bradycardia, tachycardia, hypotension and cardiac arrest may be occur. After that, the methods of producing the local anesthesias are first of all, drug acting by the paralyzing the sensory nerve ending. In that, by application to the mucous membrane, example of its cocaine, cincocaine and amitocaine. Then by hypodermic injection, example of its procaine. By infiltration method, in that procaine and adrenaline injected at a first intradermally and then subcutaneously and then into the deeper tissue. By application to wound site, that is the benzocaine and orthocaine. By application to the skin, that is the ethyl chloride spray, these are act by paralyzing the sensory nerve ending. Then drugs blocking the sensory impulses, in that block anesthesia. For this purpose, procaine is injected close to the nerve trunk. Then spinal anesthesia, procaine, amylocaine drug is introduced after the long puncture. Then by producing the casual anesthesia, example of its procaine is injected into the epidural space. After that, we see the drug cocaine. Cocaine is the first substance to be recognized as a local anesthetics. It is well absorbed from the mucous membrane. It is also absorbed from the conjunctival mucous membrane. Hence, used to produce the local anesthesia in the eye. Cocaine is a central nervous system stimulant and toxic dose may lead to the restlessness and finally convulsions. Then it diminishes the physical fatigue, which is probably due to the power to prolong the action of adrenaline and non-adrenaline, which increase the force of muscle contraction in the fatigue. And then because of the cardiotoxicity, central toxicity and additional liability, it should not be given injection and should only be reversed for the superficial application. Then procaine. Procaine is an ester of para-amino benzoic acid. It is poorly absorbed from the mucous membrane and has to be injected, and so it is of no value as a surface anesthetics. Procaine is rapidly hydrolyzed by the procaine esterase to give the para-aminobenzoic acid and diethyl aminoethyl. It is a vasodilator and not a vasoconstrictor, and so it is usefully given with the adrenaline. Then procaine has a muscle relaxant and the quinine-like the action. Then it is a much less toxic than the cocaine, though this depends to large extent on its poor absorption. Toxic effects includes procaine includes the toxic effect convulsions, respiratory paralysis, hypotension, skin sensitization. Then procaine is mainly used for the infiltration and conduction anesthesia. Then lignocaine. Lignocaine is not a ester but a anilide derivatives. It is therefore not destroyed by plasma esterase. It is not a vasodilator or vasoconstrictor. It is rapidly absorbed from the mucous membrane. Then the onset of action is rapid and the lasts for an hour. So though it is a greatly prolonged by the addition of the adrenaline, the toxicity of lignocaine is similar to the procaine, but as it is more potent and a therapeutic ratio is better. Lignocaine is used for the infiltration, nerve trunk or topical. Then cincocaine. It is a synthetic local anesthetic, stronger even than the cocaine and not proportionally more toxic. Then hence it is if care is taken to see the proper concentration is used, it is safe for the use. It is used for the spinal anesthesia also. In the summary session, in this session we learn what is meant by local anesthetics, mechanism action of local anesthetics, classification of local anesthetics, then methods used for the local anesthetics and drugs under the local anesthetics. Thank you very much for watching the video.